Welcome to PartFinder. Let's walk you through the quick setup process so that you can start offering your customers the benefits of targeted product search right away. In this video, we will walk you through how to create your custom fields, add your part mappings, design the widget tool for your branding, and adding the code so that it appears on your storefront. In just a few minutes, we'll get you up and running. Ready? Let's get started. First, we're going to create your fields. We allow you to customize this to your unique products. If selling printer cartridges, these might be brand, model, and color. If selling home appliance parts, these might be category, brand, and model. We're going to demo this for a typical automotive parts store with year, make, and model. To create a field, we will click on the Add Field button. We'll type in our first field, click Create Field, and we're done. Let's add our next two fields now. Now perhaps our customers tend to search in the make, model, year pattern instead. No problem. We can resort the fields by dragging them into your preferred order. Our fields are now set, and we likely will not have to revisit this process again. Now let's go ahead and add some part mappings. Think of these as how you would connect a user's search criteria to a particular part in your store. Let's start by clicking the Add Part Mapping button. We will add in the criteria for a search pattern. Let's try Honda Accord 2010. For the part that it maps to, we've tried to ease these burdens by looking up most of the details for you. Type a portion of the product name, select the product this maps to, and we'll look up the rest of the details, such as product ID and product URL. Click Create Part Mapping to save this mapping. There you go. Let's create one more to demonstrate how part mappings might differ. This time we'll try Honda Civic 2010 and our affordable wiper blades product. Create part mapping, and we're done. As many stores might have hundreds or thousands of part mappings, we have a bulk import process which allows you to upload a CSV file with your mappings to help you do this more efficiently. There's a step-by-step support article that covers this process. Now that we have some part mappings, let's design the widget for our storefront. You will see that we have tried to give you a high degree of control so that you can style the widget for your store without any coding skills. Of course, CSS ninjas could further style it if they desire to. You will see that you can preview the changes to your widget live on this page. If we want to move the widget to the left side of the screen, we change the horizontal alignment to left. If we want it anchored on the bottom of the window, we set the vertical alignment to bottom. If we want to change the text, we simply change it to what makes sense for our context. Let's go with Find Your Wipers for the button and Wiper Search for the widget heading. We can change the background and text colors of both the button and the widget itself. Let's try a bright blue button with white text. Lastly, we might prefer to go with an image background for the widget to incorporate our own beautiful design. Just paste in the URL of an image you have uploaded to the BigCommerce Image Manager or some other public location on the web. There you have it. While we save your changes immediately, we do not push them live until you are ready. So if we're pleased with our design efforts, let's click on the Publish Design button to take these changes live. Once we've added our fields created, Our part mappings added and our design published, let's go ahead and add the widget to our storefront. In the settings, there we click on the Add the PartFinder widget code button, and it pops up the instructions and code. Please note that we've checked to see if you are on a stencil or blueprint theme and automatically display the appropriate steps. In our case, we're on a stencil theme. We're going to copy this code to the clipboard. Now, I'm going to open my BigCommerce dashboard in a new tab to make it easier. I navigate to Storefront and then Footer Scripts. At the bottom, I'm going to paste the code I copied and click Save. Back in my other tab, I'm going to mark this step as complete. Let's take a look and see if everything has come together as we hoped. I will go to my storefront, and as the page loads, there I see the PartFinder button. Let's try it out. Let's select Honda Accord 2010, and there's my results. It's that simple. For additional assistance and more advanced questions, be sure to check out our support site, where you can find all of our documentation and can open a ticket if you want more personal help. We hope you find PartFinder to be a great asset on your journey to better reach customers and build your business.